In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a MailChimp email as a PDF quickly and easily so you can save your campaigns for records, share them with your team, or keep a copy for future reference. This is a simple process, and once you know the steps, you can do it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Then sign into your account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the MailChimp dashboard where you can manage all of your email campaigns. Next, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Campaigns. This is where MailChimp keeps your email sends, drafts, and other campaign content. Now, locate the specific email campaign you want to save as a PDF. If you have multiple campaigns, take a moment to find the correct one so you export the right email. Once you've found the campaign, click the three-dot menu next to the email. From the options that appear, click View in Browser. This opens your email in a web browser version, which is important because it gives you a clean page that you can print or save as a PDF. Now that the email is open in the browser, you're ready for the next step. Open the print dialog using the keyboard shortcut that matches your device. On Windows, press Ctrl and P. On Mac, press Command and P. This will bring up your browser's print settings window. In the print settings, look for the destination or printer option. Change that setting to save as PDF. This tells your computer that instead of printing the email on paper, you want to export it into a PDF file you can store on your device. If you want, you can also adjust the print settings before saving. For example, you may want to change the layout, margins, or scale depending on how the email looks in the preview. This step is optional, but it can help make sure the PDF looks clean and formatted the way you want. When everything looks good, click Save. Your computer will then ask where you want to store the PDF file. Choose the folder where you'd like to keep it, type in a file name, and then click Save again to finish exporting the email as a PDF. And that's it. You've now downloaded a MailChimp email as a PDF successfully. This is a great way to keep documentation of your campaigns, archive important emails, or share a copy with anyone who needs to review it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.